Well, Yasaba Adamu na was here try and come on so Hanum say hi Adom TV Badwam so ana ye no din komo Hanum say. Mamenka say idea and extension Badwam 9:30 ti nonkono ne pejai mu nonkono abono na a special live event ebebro no eche ebesa to aso ye nkomodie no ewa Hanum say nti no so na bibia ntimi nkokama emfa emma wo. Mame and we share me offer see a big congratulations, and I'm sure, sir, honestly, baby, able to be at the energy. We Coventry University, Emmanuel Sapoma Boating, and you've been awarded Master of Business Administration with distinction in Petroleum Economics and Finance. And so proud of you, Wofasi. Very, very proud of you. Now you are into the world to work. You won't say, oh, for Kakram, do support you, Papa, who should boating be our boy in diverse ways. This is the time to also appreciate and do Ghana good, do yourself good, and do your family good. It's very, very important. It's a responsibility on your shoulders. That's a boy, and they what you make suku. Akodusa Badwam Mpensenpensemu, Masters of Business Administration with distinction in Petroleum Economics and Finance, Coventry University. Emanuela Sapoma Boatima. Once again, congratulations. So proud of you. So Akodusa Badwam Mpensenpensemu. Yaba back to the studios there. Menkoso wish my very, very good friend, Kwabna Minta Kando, a speedy recovery. Onyame ya adoma mejiri so obeba be kayensa very, very soon. Na yetimi ni yenua Kwabna Minta Kando etimi atoa edwumadia yedi so. Ebase ya na biribi Adom Mpensenpensemu kan se yenyina no yenam akwan ahodo no ma ahweye very key. Very, very, very key. A driver for airco nearby. Very, very key. In Tiana so na a baby and I'm a quantum porno so etimi Eddie Juma a bit me a boy. It's important that we place premium on a year quantum porno so yenam. Pamema chairman Adikuka, Aquaba chairman, Aquaba Majidi said BBI kama. Party me kama. The last time I catch you say more running mate now see there be and they want say Julius Debra raising him Julius Debra Eric Opoku Joshua Professor Joshua Labi and this fine gentleman formerly with the health insurance scheme or the same crowd Debian Sylvester Mensa Sylvester Mensa so it's evident it's clear now say my mama Jane Nana Mobadana sit no at one Juma so in a different capacity. Now the names that are coming up, and it's actually. I'm sure what would be what would be what it be. Whether you want to respond say it's true or not, I'm sure what would be brief. So I was saying Julius Zebra is in the race now. Oh, I don't know why you keep doing this. I think it is only fair for you to respond.
I'll respond to you. I am very interested. Now, say at this stage, when I work in an pay, also ukru, doc, at this stage, you expect there be so many speculations. But we never can say the backstops at the table of
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
It is since I be some mean no sama as a party member very difficult because it didn't know abubo no omunye manyankofo. Okay. All of them. Omunye manyanko. The President Mahama so why not been there? Obesisa obia. Okay. Until that stage, green light to say, this is what I intend doing. Until what have you got to say? And they're clearly, I can give you a positive answer. I can beat my hand on my chest and tell you, say, me feel say, so see me, is capable of. But since you're the yes, very bit.
But Dr. Manibo, my dad, not just I said,
only the last no, okay, for IT there, last moment for IT there, I think he has been Minister for Communication, Minister of Information, in all these fields, and he has been involved with IT. Until they say, I'm passing on a preference. That one day, I don't begrudge him, but rest any day, I'll say.
So, former President Noye?
No. This weekend, we went round to certain functions. He was present.
Oh, I see.
No. Hopefully, by September, by August, September, we will see what his intentions are.
Okay.
And we will relate to it.
Okay.
I mean, say who candidate?
Yeah. Maybe maybe I might be doing no there. And go off we train your mother. About we for the past 2 weeks, no. And the Supreme Court judge, I don't know what be remove a year after Amaye. Anna Dr. Frida Prempe, sanitation, and Nakotina. Half we have been. I can't see a big rubber. There's a quail man. Dr. Kwaba, know what to say. You've been missing in action. Ghana small call baby Anna.
Advani Dos. On ESG.
Oh, okay.
Environmental, social, and governance.
Okay.
Idea and we are seeing our pigeon. Ghana pigeon, but I need a trauma. We are sequel anymore answer. Because of the climate change. It has been a new integral part or segment of banking and economic aid, the whole world. And it's very fantastic. You love it. So I did a short course on that. And probably that made me go into probably nations more. But I'm around, I'm working. You know,
okay. But no man's to see. So monitor party in seminal flag raising. Monitor flag raising contest no.
And Crawford trouble me then.
Udin be munan come because Udin be and so can send you baby.
Oh, sa seminal. To be, you know, who the only me from Unkarabri.
Yeah.
Me a very, me can't say me a trouble for. But Bano correct, I'm very straightforward. And I mean, you'll be or baby a bit me on me. Because I brabo in Yanko point the nipa. What you say? I think, sir, His Excellency Vice President Bakumasi. Now, Usha. We staged here about 2-3 years ago.
The whole editing way be now.
And I me declare my intention, man. To me dinner for so many years. Now, means I'm turning me cheap and some farmer. Me very straightforward. If I'm convinced that be as I'm saying, I'm any part. But see how they means I'm dream. But I also think in presenting my issues or by honor, there was this correction made you know a few years why. Make I say, fine, and Crawford say on chair, on Mray, and noon, so whatever. And I may say, I disagree with people because Supreme Court, na Supreme Court, at the end, and a my clue, our near my baby, it means we need elections. But I think I made a mistake by saying, say, and can you on one can win? And it, I think I should have said, oh no, not the no, Supreme Court, no. A lot of exposition, Emma, a clue or technically, near maybe we're careful. Because before we say, Honorable King Japan, they sure say, or Shess Adiana, we didn't hear. Not me declare my vice, because when you vice, I've told him, he knows. But a more name here was Ashanti region. I mean, let's be very honest. One, on a man as a regional organizer. And as my make on one frame, but people are attacking me left and because they thought, say, Nessa may declare man, but if they say, oh, senior vice and quack young, you know, they thought say, I didn't so non qua. But Prince all counts in Benjamin, nay, heat in a bar. This is not what I meant. Honorable King Japan, Edward Boati, or the no Kokwapia, KMB boss, name your regional organizer, Meme Party, they play very key role, especially Honorable King Japan. No, no, this for almost tactics be election time, be omo. And I mean, you could be a crab, can't be a course enough. According to your strongholds, mom, they were trying to disenfranchise people. Me, politics almost 30 years, NDC, and James Aminu opinion America. Election, they always, one of their communist inferior tactics, strongholds, no. On by now, one to other. Emma, Honorable King Japan, to be honest with you, Oba, Ebekai, a lot of security help near Adelina on a year. I'm being very honest. Men can say be on uncle. Me as a regional organizer. So be obese artist and because and your vice came, you'll be forced to announce be a boa man, boa shanty region medi odi no. E be a 7 man can ye. I didn't mean say sebi will be a yebi. But what I say and say, Sen Kanye vice president. So I suppose in ACC court and I this would have had a chance to do whatever they did in 2012. But the way I'm a can on, I went too blunt and close. But as to say, Obaka say, Obi Namsaka say, okay, if you be money, Obaka say, Obi enye busiani, and now Mayor Busian, my yinya sama, Utimidia Nimuka. And I think these are very, and it will be to make a menka. But I what did they make and I say? Okay. But I think say a lot of people also help because Ms. Medmark say, Obi, I say, oh no, because Japan so am Shanti regional. 2016, sir, over 1 million votes near Yano. I'm being honest. Said the union who sit in Kabaya.
So, are you still with Dr. Baumia?
Oh, yes, I am. But you know, I'm a very. And you see, Okasa, I'm showing you my okay now. And I'm advising my party people. Obi, I was supporting Libya, and the most important thing in 2024. Said, I'm paying you for Kayan. Said, who opposition? Hey, we are party secretary. Hey, me, I mean, you are paying you when you're for a sea drink here. Papa. Me respect the pa. Me dey penyin for dem info mu ni agro. Hey, wo kasa bebrebe nyina nkosi fi opposition. And as you adwene ho say o support Dr. Mahmoud Baumi Alaji, me support ni. O support honorable Dr. Honorable Kere Japan. O support honorable Alanche Martin, honorable Akoto, honorable omu nyina Kobere Japan, Amieja omu nyina. Say young people strong men. I respect all of them. And kasentia we uncle. We should stop that thing. Because any these ammunition. So. Two. Obi kasa, mama tape and find a num. Because at the end of the day, we infuriate other people. So they be for full tape from the crasem be on the basis. No, I can because when make say attend the day me one allergy Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. But we here e be a Kennedy Ejakon Alanche Martin will be as much as obey Dr. Mahmoud Baumia me be I'm not interested in me and yes sir. And the woman show me my papa na bad advice in microphone no be a katia change stories papa NDC in lose election MPP in lose election that yania NDC on be lose yes you be lose yania we should be united. We should work as a team because 2024 no
they all Canadian
they shouldn't joke
because that's what mama used to. I sat here and appealed to the NDC. I think the NDC was very modest in their quest to choose a leader. More the NDC. Actually, Baba Yara Sports Stadium, I said, man, share house of Foka. I say, Kotokobegu. And on there, Mokasano, Mokachita for the Yamakoduno. More war almost a view. And you'll be an yes. That's what we need to conform with as a oh, mon kase they to easy. Obi na me no koto na yam pia. Me na we can okre. If you cry and this in pain for me by station ha. What say man no me did pain bi atem. Well, yasa aba e da Adom City Estate Forces on aso kwanso so 2-bedroom detached and semi-detached, 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached, and a 3-bedroom executive detached. Ukuta a free 300,000 Ghana cedi kwa ubenya da wakoma so pa yi pa. The ma hono da so ne say ne bambo ho asem 247 eno achi akwan no insuo ene nyinam kane so de bibia o mo develop community school so so na wono asa ede eye post station so aba honom. Free Adom City Estate 4 on 0308 250068 0308 250068 Masaka say and they do ba kwa kopem say no kono bebo mechire bedwem dwumedia yedi chairman ade
minia
ade said the lady say what hwe no say na bibio na what to prove na what make bibia kire mbe before there
sorry when him say we got decided
I know I say one Allah naked maybe I only can share
Allah am senior can you am better but honestly akwa no we go school ni masipa we go school ni masipa papa all the the whole of last week, now decided trendy. Now you were Old Boys Association. I am very upset, very, very, very upset. But I like what Deputy
Education Minister.
No, Deputy Speaker of Parliament.
Okay.
Or say. So, Ade boy no or yeah no. It mirrors the situation in most of our secondary schools because of lack of corporal punishment. Yes, students no, may punish one. Time in school no, I tell you, hey, because when you say headmaster, God bless his soul in Spobi, baby, the office one, so you to Kroma, who every student or sing. So I said, we shall wataria, we shirt, we say we tucking in. Now we have mistake. Now be trim, now we shirt, we won't tuck it in. Before person at least 6 lashes the obeji. Until obia funny office anima. Why study? Obedo obeji say, how is your dressing? And then the training I did. But what the guy did, look. Choke now, watch your wrestling that. Watch your wrestling that.
Yeah, he's killed him.
We in a metal fence, a bunk bed. No, didn't No. It's so bad. So maybe I may say, how can this day and age it will happen in secondary school? First and foremost, no. As for me, I didn't like the idea, say, the cop police station. Because a minor, I don't believe say it was necessary for them to take in the police station. But the school authorities, no, they have disciplinary measures. Say I will say can we take it, and then here, no, I believe that it should be sacked in the school, and they must the first punishment. The sacking of school, no secondary school or no school in this country should ever admit him. So basically, answer, and others will also take you from that. But there were other schools, you see corporal punishment by student to student. I mean, so it's a serious matter. It seems that the schools are now degenerating into this kind of sadist attitude. I would say, but yes, Papa, and I'm glad that all of us there's a wake-up call for all of us, the families, the parents. No, yeah, it's a wake-up call.
No, I would say a wake-up. Oh, sure.
It's a wake-up call.
100%.
Yes, a wake-up call for all of us to sit down and say what is happening in our secondary schools. Very much so. And sir, teachers must not punish the students. We should bring that back. Whoever went to pass those laws, students must. So it should be moderate. It's not say teachers who also venting with spleen. Madness on the student. That's right. But there should be a form of disciplinary measures. About my students, who go to school, you've gone there for academic excellence. You've gone there not to go and exhibit this brutality. I will go to school in Masipa. I decided for when we went there, we weren't like that at all, and it's a shame. And I want to apologize on behalf of the school to parents and those who decided they will know about Koha. Be rest assured, they'll come up with qualities like what I've got.
Correct. Stika, Alan Chamanti, what an invitation for Kumasi, Ubako, you may.
And then you may. No, Minyare.
On your way. The Ashanti region. No, about core constituency. Yeah.
And then you may.
Yeah. On your way. But this you go your way, so Ashanti region.
I may away. Send me an ammo UK, my baby drew. Thursday, maybe so you be budget. Into any finance committee near Okuforidia. Once a budget in the do say they have me near that. Just after after 9 o'clock week, Mukra no my hotter dinner into me away. So by my constituency.
All right, I'm sure
I'll call my chairman and find out.
Chairman Bay.
Jukad.
That's all Fred chairman won't to me. I'm so friend I day.
And they have my friend.
So why do you call chairman won't to me? When you know chairman won't to me, were disorganizing the front of you. Why do you, Chairman?
I don't know what disorganized.
But Chairman is openly for Dr. Badwam and endorsing, enforcing.
Oh, Nasa, it doesn't mean I don't want to go into this nitty-gritty. One or only reason. And I say, Mr. Chairman, so about me. Means I'm telling me about me.
No, but
I get your point. I mean, friend say on my explanation.
No,
but when I walk at my friend say, no meaning time table because me too quiet. I feel my bit. Do you get my
Sometimes I understand the other candidates, but because it's difficult for you to enter a region. And obviously, you know, it was there. The parkour going to the Zukano, wouldn't say, or no, it's dangerous. It's not healthy. The party should look at arrangements that will really stop some of these people from openly endorsing.
Which, of course,
very serious. And Untumi has done that in a manner. I'm surprised.
Oh, and
but that is how it is.
Say no. Oh, they receive all the candidates.
Oh, now
I agree with you, sir, as a father of the region. Of course, and if I agree with you, but Ashanti region declare say change name will be maybe no.
Say you couldn't say what approach na more Ashanti region. Because Ashanti region is for a certain figure. So I say the old body, the one who say you're doing now, you're just the essence of democracy is so will be a right to choose what he wants, but not necessarily giving an edge
by maybe
not necessarily
an authority and legally.
Yeah,
your kind will be at and will be at
honorable sticker.
Doctor, come and say, where do you manage to move people? You see, on my hand, Ghana, I thought that Munina will be a count. Ghana is one country. I've seen say identification of our problems and any problem crap. Yeah, oh, whether this, whether people, whether media, oh, the upper here. But peace, but even what we've read from Kwame Nkrumah time, ABC His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo's time, you can list problems Ghana for are complaining, Obi are complaining, and they say variables. Check it. But as to finding solution to it, and I mean, say you're committed, you're the right people. Say any radio, say we so benefiting you. The problem with corporal punishment, you did grow. Okay? You go school, next seniors are punishing. Omukra me ma we di me ka dia na yedesere me abesere. Oh bia abejibi. But of course in a constructive manner, yes will be bekum. Two, usro with teacher mpo. Your teacher will punish you as I work with discipline committee. And be any Yankopon Adom, Sunday school crack, any movie, no menya perfect, but upbuild your life. Young for UK example. And then UK Prime Minister we Asian. Omo metropolitan it is a hankak AM boss, the whole Ghana, land the Ankasameya were Asian. Almost all their strategic agencies near Dingina, Asians is Omadan, Opa check, immigration baby, I didn't hear. When they decided to stop corporal punishment, Asians, they kept to their culture. Now, punish Uma Ufie. Now, we try LSE, London School of Economics. They call years, maybe a program called me more. No, you're still almost graduate medical students. Papa, what do you say about observation? Asians, and can say 100%. Now they've taken over. Even the Bible says that spare the rod and spoil the child. And found your papa and your born your mistakes. Bible, dear master. I believe Quran too, because I don't read Quran. I'm a Christian. Bible and some I can. Yet me moving 20% of my best. Ye German and crowd drug me. They no credit through. Then we consuency we research or research team. And then consuency in percentage. No mamete, no papate percentage. Omun yejuma percentage ompeso omsun yejuma percentage omo school mawie ni nyina o hafe na eba public omo ompeso omo kwa adepam and most of them they are into drugs. Unlike our time maybe we pokuare e ka say senior sticker enum cigarette na wia eh there be say eh senior adika kwa afi na ye hu say nei yakase se mesre kan obi num cocaine e wo bi anya maku buti na usuro senior way nobody was doing these things. Ask yourself, is it that the same? And then the status quo that was working has been working. Yes, you go for obi culture and obi policy. Then media meba nyame Adom no do so ko school from JHS near metro and yanchim to say me ba ne de teacher mon punish no. Media write it. It's my personal right. Me no obi o UK and then ma omo kire LGBT ade na wakoye o matena se ne banko school sa ade no. Ono ana ka kire me boa me. I think I have the right. Yenyi sa ade fun info na teachers nya kwan anti ankwara.
Bad.
And the parenting say and the other friends say gambling. Me institute to policy say in share so akronya 18 years. Who so kotonsa cigarette anything tobacco and akwa gambling na. E be me ache no. Social media na bi di matem. O mai wo mi opa ma nanado dan kwanto wo enwu obi anum obi ompena semti obedi na tem say no. My former president Mahama enter war enwu obi anum. We can't run a country like that. And the same people are expecting results. And then crown we saw the upper send the research in among constituencies. Below drugs and crown below who are or say honorable. Then people who what is going in our country today. And then robbery campaign for any robbery teenagers. And we cannot sit down and allow these things to continue. And because of social media, do you know what other people do to other people? Your time maybe about to say, it be about 10 years, maybe a story be about a baby and call issue was yes, was and what needs to say. But media, do you know what the kids are going through? And LGBT cool parliamentary, check schools in Korano. Yanka said it in so don't media nyame time in so them go more and the buy. But then the school Korano because of drugs. Because of gambling, because of this, because of that. And one of the things, so, no. And the Burma, you're perfect. But make sure you take care of your child. Obi no bia wale kama, we jan kura ne go. Nyasa Burma, onye adwuma de no nko. Ti maame no sori a, osori 4 AM. No okodi pa. Okọ no agya akura no fie. Na akura no ko school anopa. O discard no ho. Akura ne mre awia no. Na ne maame emma odidi anu osa akọ maame ne ba no wada na akora na beda anwacho nti akora ne free range. We have a lot of issues to handle. Yeah, me because I'm cry when your future. But how do you I'm asking one simple question. I don't care how people take it. Between Medina and Rich, barefooter kids na increasing the woman streets. Omo number you say your data. There's nowhere on this earth anybody can build any society which does not have data dependency. Proper data, correct data with integrity. On my end, yenyai agrona, timemufona, so young papa who can do what best. Ni enchichi o me na Ghana will be because here young ones are going down the drain. Umsube nyina sentina o papa no ma mi ni sika kasia pa o tire ho 24/7 e de ka akosi u be fa wa. Now at the mercy of the public. Now I say. And the social media is into crying, you'll be my metabody cry or phone. Into also share work class. None of me together back off. My staff back. Now it's our being pa me respecting so. Oh, beg, you want to share trousers bag in yet you can say, Uko Yuka. Omo ye way, your mom Harvard ne schools, no bad check it. Omo dressing nice to say any street boys and a dressing way. And so no her. Any educated ones no ma call papa and you pick a bag near the weekend we cry now your bag be and now na obi kura corporate office. It is something we are copying wrongly somebody's culture, which is dysfunctional to the performance of our republic. And the schools we start I agree with me opinion respectfully. Say corporal punishment no may and will be in culture me say. Name teachers should also be careful and do that within the way. Ebeboaye untime to nyankopon asamo ntwere e ma ne ye da enam kra ne nyina sai ya time me ka story bi abesere but me go kan masan de yi news ntime twa so ya time wo be nyina kodu be form 4 krampuna sebi oba krase de se case no nim ye eso ne agidi estika wa guy unim hwe eyedede kwa entako but na nkura JHS no obi koda I will say ye mofre ye o your resource ba akopa aka no. If we cannot manage our gold very well, if we cannot manage our natural resources very well, the nyame ma ye nipa ne de, because no matter how efficient your policy framework is, the people, the human resource, forget.
Well, you try hombra minute back where by a better to and common so ye kwaba. Well, yasaba makacho say at age media no 9:30 ni be page mu ye be call break 9:05 for a live event. The can be page mu 9 na ya to age media so.
Okay, sure.
Inti mamenka say beje me freestyle break we ye pon 9:30. No kuro pepepe your live event that they bro outside a year your premise a game park o hwe no wetima we say o hyebre no and then koyi anachina
me enka ye budget ni enko
ya baba ka mo budget dey na wo budget ma woni abere
that's na dem ba
dey pa no dey dey wo
dey na wo
dey wo sika we dey wada doctor educator massa doctor we educator
ma fi mi ni apa massa educator you sana na me ko pese you say massa kwa me na young man you go buy
sika o ka encounters was
about 20 years
me sika was TV
so me ni ton ye do no
so
na so we cheers so we have
me small boy so
so what should we expect?
I think said you didn't come with us. Mechia the constituency. I think you have started program proper. And paying for you teaching MPP for and him for the taxi drivers. Mechia Bibiara. Na machia or take a course to once a yard eduma kesi bi pa. Santa mine. Yame unshra me can men kase sebi me your tribe. Your time be near to me ebedi. Said you told that you know nkrafo no medi edie so edu so nti o man mfa mpai bo ne nkabu meta yachi na wo hwe budget na 9% nkrofo enya ba bia ye free ba after at rencham kese tu wiase wo betimi agi atum ana wonyi ntum ene ya woni nyankopon but obi anim say covid ene war ne ba ene de kro bia ka ho asem yesa wa wo say Mr. Viamu amejina wo hwema ni ma yo ba ye frɛ me akoso ya ba sa osum nyame kan kora ne bible na so de no kora ewiase nyina ko ha kesi me ye wo me hu da so ga na ha kasa obi anten afie aban tua ne kada yesa na na do time me de bi hu be da so metima ka kyerɛ me a officially ye declare ten afie ba government is paying you ya ko ha kesi mu unim say me no ka say papa the whole world IMF nyina project say ye be grow 3%. 2023, 2024, that's the projection. When we say first quarter of this year, you grow around 2%, approximately 2%. A little bit more or less. But Ghana, your first quarter, you grow 4.2. Higher than even the global projection. Oshe other primary macro indicators now is stabilizing. Ama achire say abai way sebi onim de oye ba men kasa ho kire no ko aho kire o man mu just like all over the world but o hwe nhyehyɛ sika sam nhyehyɛ a opanyi kanofriata mechia na no pay mesre ye nuanom ne ye namfonom ne ye nkrofo se ne enkoyi a omo kana ekoyi so a omo so nka but me am tisika semase ne o mate no o hwe budget na ade ye me deso ba ko ne se budget no most likely knowing the way or share ne niema e ba cut down expenditure ne ade na me nya sure say what the supplementary budget beba yensa me bu se sika bia bi
o he de keka kona
yes because enya say ye hia sika o enya say aho kire ni ho but o dwene o man ho ene o dwene kasa obi e ka ne ono ani nhwehwemu ne niema ya kire say we want to still mitigate the impact of COVID and post-COVID and Russian war on Ghanaians' life, standard of living. etuwe budget na beba afia ebeye me nwanwa sa finance minister any MPP aban e the supplementary budget new ba me de ebeye me nwanwa kakra me bom pie se omom fama, and that's what I think people should expect. And na wo hwe a why so consistent and Nancy Afrix Bank or whatever, African Bank, African Exim Bank. Okay, June ho baby, no. Finance Minister make very categorical statement. Or say, about out, or say, media budgeting is going to be used as a tool to do two main things. One, stabilization of the economy. Two, growth. And they are embodied in the framework of deepening the economic recovery. A very strong statement. Me feel say
here my yakomo no anyone me ni so stability the growth and all dey entry in free say we
how and we share the way I was share sikasam ni ade na of course the impact entimi nye sese the impact when me say me no ka say me ka I'm not comparing Ghana to UK ya mo mi ntie ni me ka say UK a bigger economy we ye depend on them ye ho kire ne a ho ne ye kire ne me nyina free 8 minutes we na me papa a wo hwe me ubotoma say a be affecting when say UK post covid interest rate increase over 1800% from 0.25 to about 4.75 and na kura bi say a year do 5%. US go and check me know cause for the past 3 months medical consultant, nurses, doctors, aviation, railway workers, magistrate court 3 months go check it strike nko a ho no omom ne eni to eni free no e ho ne ho kire no contributing tremendously to the coffers and the accounts of IMF no World Bank committee be my no problem na ye nam he dia shall we you cry me dia cry na ba bia akofa eni free abofo ana central region de ba Medina market na ho ase na eni no boa ye dia ho nkire. So this establishment there will be up when intro. But there then say aban we tima ye nhyehyeye bi a ye wo daakye bi a ye nim se ye nya afutu papa ye nhyehyeye papa ama ye kɔ anim to the extent say nka ho kire brei under normal circumstances no ka Ghana would have asked for supplementary budget, which I think studying said we see manage economy from post covid no enye likely ka be no nwa.
Doctor me name no
ya make ka
because say baba bia onim de wo no e babre we na e pesi ye gisa anim de no especially doctor I on area de koka won say ye ntimi nyi covid any Russia Ukraine how no free ya how yi mu enye possible na anamontuo ni ne ye bi wo ho nso a ya nkasa ya da na dia abe compound challenges na ye wo as on mind
just say
ye di kan on mind na nkasa esi kasem ntutuye internally how kesiaba management of even process free covid mobile no e won komodie no aye kesen ne it is you too far brebiada ne esi kasem how esinto aba esi kasem e ko share covid any Ukraine o dia tumpreko pesa na aya na edi it is all this entity mo ba
de di nkan obia so amekan is otie ya yesi ahokyera papa ahokyere ye wiase nyina ahokyere de di nkan sabi sa de o Bible a ekura me ni intro obia no betuma kasa meboa ye wiase ne bia kan ye gitum ne etoso mi no obia nkasa Ghana ahokyere no eno nko ana de aba. The only thing I will come and onya adwene say yen issues are basically based on internal issues. No issue make us first me can be man twama we so from omampanyi Rollins time na me so e kind ho niema PND se beba me hu no kakra be si na nim enkrofo mpanyimfo ne ade nyina ba ko omampanyi kofo no nyina bepem na na adoso ne former president Mahama no obia no sa issues say raise no yen ka no kore de di nkan
eno an twa no
sa me boa o du ba bia so interest rate cost so inflation no adwuma ho ade na exchange rate sa me boa so on mine nkasa was our problems no. The only thing I'm about way there say see e bia ha e kakra e me opinion obi ana manye nie. I think say your information management and our communication management no enko say you also cut together if it be cascading effect of your information management. Say, or many woman, the way my metia is different from one me. Until you on say, any part of the same point about you to say, I can say, Abofumpo mo BBD, and now you are now called as when your cancer went to me. Says you are to hospital. How many people believe that? A coin be and also cabine faso, a communicating near my way, a proper stakeholder arrangement in terms of telling them and showing evidence. Who is here so you pay? And then so I make come back with our front pages in we end this way and people back and was any pabe 18 million bet you. Hey, and then the brony cromupony as a share, Doctor for crowd woman video. And I said, so people will understand. So what you are saying, you are not wrong. But it's as a result of our inability to design a cascading effect communication framework.
Doctor, apart from that design, you read.
What did I mention?
You read the Auditor General's report. There are lapses, and they say there is a retrieval.
Can I ask you one question? No, my hunting my boss man. Auditor General report with the message. I agree with you. But we should work on it. But from 20-30 years basically, all Auditors General report.
We have that challenge.
Our issues.
We have that challenge. I agree perfectly.
It's okay with them. But we say a nay and will be any two, maybe two. Auditor General report. Most of the times, entire in daily largely if they blame government, we know whether in this MPP. But yeah, now you really say, okay, check emphasis. Most of them are public sector. Go and check. It doesn't mean that we shouldn't take the blame. And also your part. How do we educate people apart from saying me and Ibre? Now you're lost. Look, in Latin, we was it ubi societas, ibi utes. Where there is society, there is law. But if the laws, in terms of enforceability, in terms of exercising the law, in terms of applying the law, what is the use of the law? It's the no again say you make sure say Amrano, you never break near the year. Two, education. Look, Auditor General, a lot of problems and use will be a USCO. Of course, a USCO. When you say auditor, first, your financial statement are prepared. Your standard ultimate trouble before. They are also if it materiality. Say, what's 10 million for this? HS and power ampa. They are also me and son. Controls, internal control, how comply. Here, or my chachu, me papa penny chachu. Me son, me read this, a meeting, me read one material, I am fan chemi. Time when they go to mono. Jamie, me read you. I should be corrected. Now, yes, we are secure with the action and no more. But I think it was something to do with compliance. See, I say, or my Adom FM, Auto TV, this will be who. Me papa di koka ube hu man me yesane ansa no akoto se wa anya na akoto TV na evidence receipt mato TV no kura ubeko enti Auditor General ento sometimes even yeni an Auditor General beka say 12 billion bi afa ensase yakọ na mu 10 billion enya sa na ye free bi receivables or payables no enya corruption enti misramo there were a lot of internal challenges. I agree with you and need 100%, but I think say abai no enya every designing the coming, there should be a new paradigm shift. Me I should say information because I'm going to say you papa be brave. Me constituency. Say me boy ko check under Adom common fund. I can tell you say about 2,200 students enya kunyani table swatna. Ya top brand new Toyota Hilux air fighting security. Ya ma secondary school owning in computers. Akwa wo communities be say 26 emu be 18 de kohwe adwuma na nado aban ye ene de ekoso say nyame pa next week Fantasy news site ye kate akoso judges adan a ye nsie bi nsi da enti menka sa ahuche but look na nsanwam to apagwa wako it take 20 minutes and nado but who talks about this? How do we present it? Then can so no pay na niema front pages bebreba ye na cascading effect enkrofo eye omu ya de but they say something. And as much as I agree with you, Sky Train and Namhana, you who any street. Railway, what a railway line. What a railway line. Railway line. Railway line another time. Yeah, media no problem. Who knows? Who understand? How do we sell it? No problem. As much as that is your party business. Exactly. Exactly. And send me our raising. Menka say your but and you say another near you. And you say at the soccer of Ratadi. Challenges by before COVID, they were unless the COVID bear comes in. Say improvement to Swaba. Nobody talks about it. All right. Make a last one, Mr. Obekai say fish. fish agencies no rate a bad what happened almost 2 months all over Ghana near titi
yeah
me the car say time and the no rate if they are using the same criterion and wrong because time different from conventional
exactly
obi am farmers serious back say World Bank near back say no ratings it doesn't reflect the truth I want it here me papers be na kan wasem yet na say no okay yet na osenka a discussion for about 2 weeks.
You put the reality.
Exactly. So Ghanaians are complaining. There's hardship, I agree.
There's a gap on your part.
But there's a gap on our part to let them know as parents, the entire yama, now we started to I want facts in how do we do it? How do we do that for be a better here? Said will be a tear class or teacher, will be a farmer, will be saying him putu. How do we plan that thing? Okay. That is our weakness. But I think, say, budget here every day, Papa. Budget year be. Oh my God. A budget. Sham. We say, me too say bibia da na kwa. Me hu ni nyina, but knowing the line, any the obubu abesi, how one manage post COVID economy.
The mindset is always to make money and to I didn't hear about that.
As one work no. Okay, show you politics. Maybe a very straightforward. Sometimes I make mistake. Am I? And no question be Jessica. What about A or B? Obi kura we near bem Jessica. Ghana media feed bit. Ebi asof we be enti agree. But sometimes you are perception so. Perception here and finally and conclude say we are politics only adwuma. And this because when you enter here because I know say this MPP you say ka hu bi ya wa abema we twabo mo wa abema na ye twabo mo ama hemeti we no da me okọ west nkọkọ kwan so
me say go factory no
factory and make back about 4 years ago I had the largest palm plantation. How many years my no me say me run a pharmacy shop. Now me run it construction. Me run it consultancy. My consultancy for a long time. Uji fan could run me client.
Exactly.
You know.
Exactly.
What they say? Not me a part-time lecture or tech. What did I make? I say? Who you weighing? Nobody sees. Haruna no na wo mu Haruna football club papa otum ton play nyesika kese. But because you are a politician,
the assumption is
that car where we are. What do you many di? What do you mean? It is totally. It doesn't mean say politicians say you're corrupt and everything. That's what I'm talking about. But they should disabuse their minds from this misconception that we are politicians. We need to be. Okay, it's never true. That is not true.
All right, so you try a home brand, chairman. You better than the amano. Yeah, Kwaba. That's how by 12 common so I'm say Adom City Estate Koso Kaya say more 2 bedrooms detached and semi-detached, 3 bedroom detached and semi-detached, and after 3 bedroom executive detached. A border shot if it's 300,000 Ghana cedi. Almost there one kaza. Ebeda wa koma so ahobeto yi pa almost men kai o se fa yinam kanea insuo suku police station ana akwan ho nsem de bambo no problem at all. If for more 0308250068 and as email here info@adomcityestate.com. One website is www.adomcityestate. Let me know the digital. Chairman Adeko ka I want to say ana face Stephen am doctor sticker on also a one chairman. Or say or smell it say media too much.
In this sikama henya say wa. When me correct BB man irregularities or the third general can see me say from time immemorial. Corruption is sanomano no question from Adam cry
President Kufo
can say free Adam time cry corruption.
No, sa connection na corruption.
Oh, sika o kase banka hwe.
Make up.
That is yeah, you see, irregularities have been a regular feature of the public boards and corporation from 2018 to 2022, during which over 53.87 billion of such cases were recorded.
From 2018
to 2022.
Irregularities?
Yes.
Before the
Oh.
Yes, I never patch.
No, or specific to this.
No, we are there. Watch your nanny. World Bank papa. Okay, World Bank papa. Nanny. What's it under NDC?
Doctor Manuflu.
Project. Yeah, two. ABC Ghana. Inflation.
Doctor Manuflu.
Also corruption. BBC that.
Related to this particular, Doctor Manuflu.
And yes, sir. It is not correcting.
But or two address is specific one. Doctor Manuflu.
Because that's where the report starts.
Doctor Manuflu.
The boss no over 20 years any I debate one so no more than the fan already any okay over 20 years ago no
Doctor Manuflu 18 years
okay now doctor say COVID Russia war COVID and sana Russia Ukraine war sa se mo but sa asemi affected the whole world. You to say affected the whole world. But other countries, no. Why say omude affect was so such to say in the economy was say you run it to IMF. Look at the countries around us. Only you can feel. You can be more different big boys. Ivory Coast. Burkina. Botswana, South Africa, all these countries, they suffered COVID. Here, problem. One, mismanagement, reckless borrowing, corruption. Even 15.1 billion. Sasike convert it into dollars and see the equivalent. In the IMF, you 3 billion. Look at this money. Look at this money. What are they telling us? Corruption, over borrowing, all manner of things. And yeah, COVID Ukraine, any total recklessness. Buying on the Ghana cash. Budget they are not going to do any budget. Or say they are not bringing supplementary budget.
Because it's not likely.
Because where are they going to get the money for?
But so when they were or are they targeting growth? You know, we every year free let
them tell us in Yoma what they are going to cut. They should tell us. Because that's what we have been asking them.
Discretionary expenditure.
First and foremost, Sika ukasemi komo. We are said,
what are they going to cut?
What are they going to cut? Amuk government. Yes, only 3 days ago. He says, Minister of Sanitation, Yastatina Asad. Yes, sir, appointed another minister. Yes, sir, appointed another 2 ministers.
Foreign affairs.
Foreign affairs.
What's on the year?
No, but I thought the government would take this opportunity to cut down the government bill.
Oh, Chairman.
No, it's true.
The sanitation, they cover local government and as assessment.
But before time memorial, sanitation, didn't you have Minister of Works and didn't have local government doing all those jobs? Didn't we?
But we're having some ministry together.
Didn't we?
We're having ministry. And
did not say creating new,
Hey, who? Yeah, at this last hour.
I see.
Last hour, you do Osukef. When Osukef? We are race course now. Yeah. You do Osukef. Yeah, call home stretch. You know. What do you do?
Now to do normal year.
What to do normal year? Because sanitation at the Asamabe. It's added to local government. Cut it down. And so you are going to do what? Come and tell us what? Because
the issues that will be highlighted include structural reforms in expenditure commitment control and arrears clearance, debt management, financial stability and growth agenda.
So we are waiting. So for the past 7 years, say no many Apaskano Nafe Apaskano bebe dua if they do osu careful no mono you call home stretch.
Ajin semsa
Go and ask.
No, no,
go and ask.
This now I can copy. Any pass 7 million. Go and check.
Doctor. Doctor Maniwe.
Baby, I didn't know me.
Now baby, I go Friday.
The whole world. They are going to pass. And this now can recklessness, mismanagement.
Doctor,
can Ghana for
Doctor.
Me a mistake. I have 1.6 million according to projection.
Doctor, Mani.
Yeah, Jenny Pam. Yamena so many penny and query. I said, Chairman. In another way, on which all can the papa no condemn me. Condemnation that I no pay amount of money. Since only yesterday, Bank of Ghana governor. I say why we lose 60 billion. For the first time in the history of Ghana, Bank of Ghana on your Juma, Bank of Ghana on trading, on stock market, on your BBR. How come? So we lose 60 billion under this government. And the government is sitting there. And they come and tell us, we are budget, come and tell me how come this 60 billion got lost? Come and tell me, Sika. I thought you come and tell us, I say it got lost. What did that loss? What did that loss? Auditor, Bank of Ghana. Say Ahira. I'm Kasa Ahira. Now say it got lost. LOSS. What's the loss? And also Bank of Ghana. 60 billion. Loss, I never be. I'll see what oh, what do you mean? In financial, can you story? What declare loss of 60 billion? And why you do my 60 billion? Inflows and outflows. No, when you that is profit and whatever you need to. You see, these are unaccredited. Don't come in, doctor. These are the category. You see, you don't know that. Doctor. You see, doctor. What I would say, categorical imperative
no, doctor.
of economic structure and then dealing with the monetary policy. You cannot, no, you don't do this. Doctor, they see the okay, they slow me, but the man in cow. Now, you all come. You ain't what by over empirical evidence. Categorical imperative. Audience, and you may be your we are who here. Tell me a woman. Imperative. Categorical imperative.
Game pack fire ready. Chairman Adeko Kabedasi. Dr. Stephen Amwabedasi P. We will be crossing over to National Lotteries or more for stuff here. This Jumedi we are bro. And what you know now at why Jumedi so that's it.